Gentlemen, hello everyone. I think the oil, I shouldn't put it here. It's kind of hot, so I put all the oil away from the heat. Okay, away. It's not open yet, so over somewhere cold place, colder. Here is more cold. It's cooler here, and also it's cooler here. Okay, so the organic oil, organic like sunflower oil, I put it here. You can be hot all you want. Okay. For me, I stay cool. Okay. This one. Now I can try. Next time I can try sunflower oil. And this open, I had to put it back into the fridge. I put this on the bottom first. Okay, now it's time for me to grab a chair and sit down. Grab a chair and sit down and grab a table. Put all the food here. Honey, 你幫我攞走嗰個抹地嗰個地拖啊，唔該，唔好擺喺度阻住我。Honey， 喂，個地拖阻住咗啊！唔該你。Yeah, please don't put it there. Thank you. I can't stand the fridge so being disorganized. 你食唔食？有啫喱你要食嘅喂？你唔食嗱？呢個啫喱我買咗好多個喎，我唔記得咗。I put jelly. I didn't even eat. Oh my goodness. I like to buy things that I don't eat. Okay, let's go. Okay, I'm gonna organize it for her. I cannot stand it. Okay, this is the food I cooked before. Oh my goodness. Okay. Roast pork. Oh, 馬蹄糕. Oh my goodness. Okay, 腰果雞丁. See? Oh, 豬魚仔啊! Roasted pork again. What the heck? So much stuff. Take everything out first. I cannot stand it. The noodle that my wife make. Why you make so much noodle? So many noodles. Oh, look at this. What, honey? What is this? 呢個乜嚟㗎？呢包乜嚟㗎？馬蹄糕係邊個？係你邊個整啊？哦，個馬蹄糕 is from my wife made it. This aqua. Okay, we better finish this aqua. It doesn't last long. Okay. So, oh my goodness. And this is the rice noodle I made last time. This one is I put it there. It's not her fault. And okay, organize. Bean bao should not put over there. Put it here. Let me put it in the bag first. I don't think it's a good idea. Okay. See, one plastic bag. Go in with the blueberry. I can't stand this, so I have to organize it. I want my refrigerator to look good, so organize. In the future, in the future, if I have, if I'm allowed, I'll buy a refrigerator just for soda and drinks and water and other drinks. Yes, I will do it in the future. Not now. I only know a place I can get it, like, too, but I don't buy it because I think it's not necessary at the times. So this is, oh my goodness, look at this. This is all cooked food, okay, from outside. I don't even eat it now. What is this? Again, roasted pork. This can eat for 1 week without cooking. Honey, you want yogurt? 仲有一個 quick yogurt 要唔要啊？ Okay, she said she doesn't want it. Okay, sorry for saying things that. Okay, sorry. Okay. Hey, the tooth hurt, man. Right? I had to tell her, you know. Look at that. She like to buy those century preserved duck. Last time I couldn't find it. It's hitting out there. So I think it's better to put the century duck over here. So next time you want to eat, she want to eat it, she can know automatic is there. Okay. So I'll organize this. Just give me like 20 minutes. You can see the difference how I organize. It's a lifestyle to organize your fridge. Okay. Organize fridge means like your refrigerator. Okay. So make it organized, and when it's organized, 煮都舒服啲啊，大佬係咪先？阿姐喂，and it's when you organize your fridge, everything looks better, and then it's like it's more comfortable, okay, and it's like easier to get access to food, and then make sure it's organized. I like it organized.